Oh, baby. Yeah, murder egg, murder egg. I wanna love you, babe. I'm thinking love you, babe. Oh, baby. Ashanti, Ashanti. Chapter 2. Let's rock, let's rock. Can you talk for me? Oh, baby. Can you take it to the top for me? Just wanna love you, baby. What's you thinking?
Guys, I just came on here to quickly update you. Jongani Belela, yo, I need to fix this dress. My entire boobies are out. But yeah, I am at Kyalami Corner, right? And it's a Kyalami Corner. I just got here. As you guys would have seen this morning, I was doing Uta's makeup, but I couldn't vlog because been late, and when I'm from moments are even later than she already was. And then I went home to my sister's place and worked from there because it just made sense. And then now it's late afternoon. The time is literally 4. And as I said, Niseka Elami Corner, I'm here for Shani's graduation lunch, late lunch dinner. So I feel like it's turning into dinner now because I got pinned on my phone. So I'm just gonna sit here in the car and work for a bit because I don't want to sit there alone. But yeah, it's a new day, we are here. Let me go in quickly. I think I'm gonna panado, then I'll come back and work. I have a headache. I've been up since like 5. Drizzle. Mama, posing. It's not a picture, guys. We room tour, mom. Welcome to mom's room. So nice, guys. That's me, cutie. Patootie, this is a really cute bathroom. Then kune toilet ngapha ngizama ukufihla i-towels zikama. Oh, cutie. Nazi impahla zabo. I-cute nje. Hayi bo mama, wait. I'm vlogging here. Cute.
Oh, all right. Mom, can I fix your hair?
Mom, you should have put the key in, my doll.
Mom, can I fix your hair?
There's so many mirrors here. Mama, fagis kia look emnyango kumnyama nansi grad. Say hi, grad, to the vlog. Not what's up. How do you feel?
Fabulous.
Really? Uzoke seke kamuma. Do you think they even noticed Babana Young view up? He was so, Mom, there's Johannesburg. Did you guys see though? But you have a nice view. I was out as a suspan. So hot. It means to know from me. Cheers.
Natural disasters. My baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Yeah. Every time I look into your eyes, I see you're all I need.
Guys, I just came on here to let you guys know I am at Zoo Lake. I have a race this coming Saturday. Again, this will get office in it, guys. That's why I'm looking very good. But yeah, I'm doing my first 10k race and Senevas because in Tabazala. Say hello.
Hey, chummies.
Not chummies. No, these are my faves. Not chummies.
Hey, faves.
My faves. Yeah, so we are going in now. Zone Navas. Did you see those dabas that we were driving on?
That's where we're running.
My heart palpitations.
It's gonna be rough.
But yeah, guys, Muslim. No, I mean the trees.
Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need.
Guys, it is 5:51 on a Saturday, so you know what that means. We outside. Standard Bank race, and today I'm with my bestie. Siyabangena.
And I'll take some time just to be thankful that I had days full of you, before it winds down into the memories. It's all just memories now. You got someone like, don't you love when I come around? Fill you up, then I take it down. Don't you love when I come around?
Ladies and gentlemen, all the
Fill you up, then I take. Who would have thought I'd get you? Oh yeah, babe. Who would have thought I'd get you? This feels like summer. Boy, you make me feel so alive. Just be my lover. Boy, you lead me to paradise.
Just stopped for the first time, guys. To come on 9-2. Not bad. Pace is 7:59.
I wanna let you know that but you don't have to go. Don't wonder no more what I think about you. If it's loving that you want, then you should make me your girl, your girl. If it's loving that you need, then baby come and share my world, share my world. If it's loving that you want, then come and take a walk with me, with me. 'Cause everything that you need, I got it right here, baby. Now it's obvious you need a friend to come hold you down. Be that one to share your everything. No one's around. Baby, come tell me your secrets and tell me all your dreams. 'Cause I can see you need someone to trust. You can trust in me. So just call me whenever you're lonely. I'll be your friend, I can be your homie. If it's something that you want, then you should make me your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby come and share my world. Whoa, if it's something that you want, come and take a walk with me, walk with me. Everything that you need, I got it right here, baby. It's been so long, I've had this feeling that we could be.
We're racing again. The Whippet. We're gonna have breakfast or coffee. It's gonna depend what our appetites can take. So we ended up just getting coffee, guys. Vicky, how do you feel? How do you feel? Guys, Sunmanani, we are off to the baby shower. Probably not gonna show the baby mama, but since there's a Bumila girls, it's a location. Why is there a roadblock? Stop and go. I'm gonna stop and go. Oh, I ain't gonna stop and go. It's gonna I'm gonna have to do it though. Your destination is on the right. Speed to
They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. So take your hands, my dear, and place them both.
They
in
are so
mine.
early.
You know
They are
you
so
stopped
early.
me there when I was
They're ruining
passing
the
by.
surprise. Going to wrap.
And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you, see you, see you every time. And oh my, I like your style. You make me wanna cry. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So I say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, ooh. I've never seen anybody do the things you do before. Take my hands, my dear, and look me in my eyes. Just like a monkey, I've been dancing my whole life. And you just beg to see me dance just one more time.
Cheers, Lesotho.
I seek you every time. And oh my, I like
Yeah.
you make me wanna cry.
Halloween, guys. Hello. Hey, that's this road so bumpy. I just quickly pause. How do I pause my music? Ish. Just give me a second. Okay, guys. It seems I can't do both. But yeah, I don't even know if I greeted you guys on this vlog. But yeah, if I did not greet, welcome back to a new vlog. Even though we are halfway through, I think I can still enter from this side. Welcome back to a new vlog. If you are new here, please don't forget to click that subscribe button. If you are still seeing subscribe, it's time for you to click right now. And if you are a returning subby, thank you so much for coming back, my love. Thank you so much. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Comment, like. Don't forget to comment and engage with me in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, and don't forget to share. You say Kawash. Should I go in there? Okay. I just arrived at the car wash. Hey, I feel like when you guys reverse, it's gonna get scratched because I know my car.
But this one is a little bit high and this is low.
But in the motor, I know it will scratch. All right, reverse. Thanks. Yeah, this is car wash, and my car is very low. And your clamby motor is very steep, if I can put it like that. Yeah, it's not that yeah, but I really hope you guys enjoy the vlog. I'm trying a new car wash today, not at my normal one. Driving is a skill, my feet. What a girl, what a driver, what an excellent girl. They're all staring at me like I'm crazy for talking to myself. There we go. My baby getting scratched too. Gala. Yeah, so I'm just dropping off my baby, and then I feel like I'm a bit skew. Yeah, and then I'm gonna walk back home. So I wanted to take you with me.
Ndiyaphila njani?
Ndiyaphila, ndifuna ikla nesa special ne. Sale car wash, but ndicela ucheck yabona apha ngemva my car seats are going through the most. So I want to see if you guys are going to be able to remove that. Yabona up my nieces melted in Ifiza and chocolate. Nizokwazi ususa.
That's good. It's just a chocolate.
Yeah, this is chocolate and this is fizza, the sweet. So this is a sweet and this is a chocolate.
Alright, we'll try.
Alright, thank you. Guys, can I tell you, this man just started washing the car with me inside it. I've got too much anxiety for this. Now I have to attend my meetings in the car. At least I won't be talking, but what do you even mean? Because my plan was to walk home and leave the car here. But I guess I just need to do a proper 5K later on this evening. And that choice. And love. With
someone when this lie soon. How did I know I would fall in love with you so soon? Sometimes it hurts to
Morning guys, morning. I feel like we have not been saying much on this vlog and talking, but yeah, I feel like you guys are extremely close. I came on here to quickly do an unboxing with you guys. I doubt this is the end of the vlog. I'm going to the gym now. It's lunchtime on Friday. Going to the gym. That's how I spend my lunches these days, guys. Period. Yeah, and then tomorrow I'm going to netball. I'm not going to vlog at the gym today. I'm a bit lazy. But I might vlog at netball tomorrow. But I think this is the last time you guys are going to see me sitting down like this. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe. I feel like but yeah, let's quickly unbox together. Here, I think I need a pair of scissors. Okay guys, let me quickly do this before my sister changes her mind about going with me. But this is the first box. I take a lot of it boxes for small items. Yeah, and if a voucher from an employer of choice. So I just bought these things. I think I literally only paid for delivery fee. Let's see what's in here. I don't even remember. Ooh, the favorite one, a passport holder, guys. She's so cute. I had even forgotten what I ordered. A passport holder, and it has this little thingy for your bag, for your carry-on, and it's written, and so the adventure begins. Guys, do you know what this means? This means we are getting closer to the travels for the year. For the year. Passport holder. It's so cute. Absolutely love it. I don't know how much these retail for exactly, guys. Most of them are sale items. I think all of them are actually sale items, because I got 3 items if I'm not mistaken. Okay, that's the first one, and this is the second box. What is in here? This thing feels empty even. What is in here? Oh, I completely forgot about this. Then the second item is these UV protection sunblock arm warmers. So they're for the sun as well as for winter. Let me see what size they are, how short they are, because the reviews weren't all that great. Jongan guys, and this book house, man, they for you to put your finger in there. This is what they look like. Okay, I guess they're gonna do the job. Mara ingati house materials for cold days, but I guess you just have to wear like a long sleeve top on top of them because they are quite short. Very disappointing, but okay, what did I expect? They are quite warm though, yes. The lake house is warm, but my question is, guys, like it should come all the way here. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. At least I didn't buy them with my money, and I know to never buy them with my money. Okay, I don't use those today because I don't use them. I don't need them today because it's warm today. I'm gonna put them in this plastic. So that thing has elastic, guys, because I'm elastic. Okay, and then last but not least, which is this box. You already know box NG, what's inside it. But yeah, let's quickly open it together. Inside here, I have two books, guys. So the first one is I hope you guys can see it. The Monopoly plastic book, Habits of a Godly Woman. So I got the soft cover. But yeah, Habits of a Godly Woman. I first saw this from K-Arms. And yeah, I've been wanting it ever since, but every time I buy books, I'm like, is it worth it? And then I end up buying something else. So this time I bought it. So that's the first one. And then the second one is Disciple, Walking with God by Rory Sang Tandeki. So absolutely love this lady. So yeah, I'm hoping this is going to be a good one. And it's got a nice Bible verse here. Don't let anyone look down on you because you are young, but set an example for the believers in speech, in conduct, in love, and in faith and in purity. 1 Timothy 4 verse 12. Oh, love it. These are words for Risang Tandegiso, beloved TV and radio personality, content producer, and speaker, lives by. Love it. Absolutely love it. I'm so excited for both of these reads. Yeah, that's literally what I got in my Take A Lot package. Cutie, small, and all of those items together cost me 500 rand because most of these things were on sale. So yeah, let's go to the gym, guys. We are off to the gym, guys, with our Stanley dupes. Cheers! We outside. Let's go. It wasn't us. A long time ago. Really? Maybe the last time you came to the gym. Which red meal do you want? Want that one? I can't see it all. Even if I could, it would all be great. Such a picture on my wall. It reminds me that it's not so bad. It's not so bad. Sanganan guys, sanganan. So, umngane wami ungibhekile ngiyabuka phela sekunedwa. Yeah, those girls.
It's not so bad.
Up to the town, them for no stop, and I'm the original Nigerian Don Gaga, running through my mind, I'm talking now without a curfew. Alongside the one that King Kong still is show. This a robbery, the whole of them for no sound it.
Get this rap money in the rush. Tell her back it up for me when you see me in the club. Come and get this rap money in the rush. Tell her back it up for me when you see me in the club.
All eyes on me, yeah. Stick 'em up. Stick 'em up now. Still a show. It's a robbery. It's a robbery. It's a robbery. It's a robbery. Kick your door down. Niggas ain't running anymore now. Bang bang, everybody just go slow down. Oh,